Asia's largest brackish water lagoon Chilika Lake located in Odisha saw a higher influx of migratory birds this summer compared to previous years. The Tangi range recorded the highest number of bird sightings, followed by Balugaon, Satapada, Chilika and Rambha. Factors such as habitat improvement, food availability, and the removal of prawn enclosures in the lake contribute to the increased bird migration. The flamingos and pelicans generally come to Chilika in delay. While pelicans start their journey with the onset of monsoon, some flamingos choose to stay in the lake over the years.